Now we will discuss the week 3 modules. Your week 3 day 1 is all about absolute value. As the definition states there, absolute value is the distance of a number on a number line from 0 without considering which direction of number lies. Now, what is a number line? How are we going to make a number line? What composes your number line? Okay, so what we have here next is your number line. As you can see in your number line, it has two arrowheads, both sides. This arrowheads means that if you're going to follow this direction, going to your right, it has no ending. And if you're going to follow this direction going to your left, still it has no ending. So meaning to say, it goes on forever. It goes forever. Or what we call it as infinite. Okay? At the middle of your number line, we have here 0. 0 is a whole number and it is also an integer, but 0 is neither positive nor negative. Okay, so next, after your 0, okay, nearest to the 0 from going to your right is your positive 1. Okay, going to your right are your positive integers and you're going to the left is your negative integers. Symbols for your positive integers can be a plus sign or can be none, invisible. Okay, now symbols for your negative integers is your minus sign. Okay, now again going to your right is your positive integers and going to your left is your negative integers. Integers nearest to your 0 to your right is positive 1 and to your left is your negative 1. And then if you are going to finalize your number line, so we have here 0, this is positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, positive 4, positive 5, positive 6, positive 7, and so on. On your left is your negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, and so on. Now, for example, let us go back to your absolute value. You're going to find the following. Number 1, absolute value. Remember, the symbol for your absolute value is the 2 bars. Okay, this one. Number 1 again, you're going to find the absolute value of negative 6. And the number 2, absolute value of positive 6. As we can see here, we have our number line. Arrowheads here, and then these are your positive integers going to your right and going to your left are called your negative integers. But then based on the definition, your absolute value is the distance of a number from 0. Okay, for negative 6, where is your negative 6 here? Okay, so we have here your negative 6 here. And how about your positive 6? This is your positive 6. Now, if you're going to find the absolute value of negative 6, okay, you are going to count how many jumps is negative 6 from your 0. Okay, so let us count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. This is 6. Okay? And this one, what is the absolute value of positive 6? So this is your positive 6 here. Okay, from 0, let us count again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So, positive 6 and negative 6 has the same absolute value, and that is 6.